In this video, we're making a cookies and cream lava cake. You ready? Let's do this. To start, in a mixing bowl, add half a cup of unsalted butter and 1 Hershey's cookies and cream chocolate bar broken up into small pieces. Place the butter and the chocolate into a microwave and heat for 25 to 30 seconds. Once the butter and chocolate are melted, add 2 full eggs, 3 egg yolks, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, a half a cup of flour, and 1½ cups of powdered sugar. Once those ingredients are well combined, pour the batter into a measuring cup. And then slowly pour the batter into prepared muffin cups, greased with butter and dusted with flour. Then we bake at 425 degrees for 11 to 12 minutes. While the cakes cook, spray a parchment paper lined baking sheet with Pam. Once the cakes are finished cooking, place the baking sheet on top of the muffin tin and flip in one fluid motion as quickly as possible. Slowly lift up the muffin tin to reveal your cakes. To remove, take a knife and cut a square around one of the cakes. Slide the cake off the baking sheet and onto a serving plate. And very carefully, slide the parchment paper out from underneath the cake. Next, some powdered sugar and finely crushed Oreo cookie crumbs. Garnish with a mint leaf and Oreo cookies. And just like that, we have a cookies and cream lava cake.